Welcome back, everyone, to the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. Today we have a really practical, really important lesson for you, and I think so many of you are going to relate to this one. Jack is here with me as always, and Jack, you look a little bit uncomfortable today. What happened?
Emma, I am so embarrassed. To be honest, I do not even want to talk about it. But okay, fine. So this morning, I walked into a coffee shop, right? I was feeling confident. I walked up to the counter, I looked at the barista, and I said very clearly, "Give me one coffee." And Emma, the barista, just stared at me like I had said something terrible. She looked genuinely angry, and I did not understand why. I just wanted a coffee. What did I do wrong?
Oh, Jack. First of all, thank you for sharing that because I promise you, you are not the only person who has done this. This is one of the most common mistakes English learners make, and the frustrating thing is, you did not mean to be rude at all. You were just saying what you wanted. The problem is that in English, phrases like give me or I want a coffee, even though they are grammatically fine, they sound very direct, very blunt, and in a service situation like a coffee shop, they can actually come across as quite rude or demanding to a native speaker.
But I was not trying to be rude at all. I just did not know the right words.
And that is exactly the point. This is not about being a bad person. It is about not yet knowing the polite formulas that English uses in these situations. And today, I am going to teach you the polite ordering formula so that the next time you walk into any cafe anywhere in the world, you will sound confident, natural, and genuinely polite. The barista will smile at you, I promise.
I really need this lesson. And everyone watching at home, if you have ever felt nervous or embarrassed ordering food or drinks in English, this lesson is 100% for you. So before we start, please do us a quick favor. Hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more learners just like you. And if you are new here and you want practical, fun English lessons every single week, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It costs you nothing, and it means everything to us. Okay, Emma, please fix me. I need help.
All right, let us start with part 1, and this is the most important part of the whole lesson. The 2 magic phrases that will completely transform how you order in English. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Magic phrase number 1, I would like. This is the golden phrase. Instead of saying, I want a coffee, you say, I would like a coffee, please. Now, in spoken English, we almost always shorten I would to I'd. So it sounds like, I'd like a coffee, please. Say that with me, Jack.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect. Did you hear how smooth that sounds? It is polite, it is natural, and it is exactly what a fluent English speaker would say. Now, magic phrase number 2, can I get? This one is very popular in casual, everyday English, especially among younger speakers. Instead of give me a sandwich, you say, can I get a sandwich, please? It is friendly, it is relaxed, and it sounds completely natural.
Oh, I like that one, actually. It feels more casual, less formal. Can I get a sandwich, please? Yeah, that feels easy to say.
Exactly. And notice what Jack did there without me even asking. He added please at the end. That one little word, please, makes an enormous difference. It softens everything. It signals to the other person that you are being respectful. Always, always add please when you are ordering something.
Okay, so let me try to fix my mistake from this morning. Instead of give me one coffee, I should say, can I get one coffee, please? Or, I'd like a coffee, please.
Both of those are absolutely perfect. And you know what is great. You now have two options. If you are in a more formal cafe, maybe a fancy place, I'd like sounds a little more polished. If you are in a casual, everyday coffee shop, can I get sounds relaxed and natural. You can use either one in any situation and you will always sound polite.
I wish I had known this morning. I am going back to that cafe tomorrow, and I am going to order perfectly.
You absolutely will. And everyone watching, I want you to practice right now in your head or out loud. Take something you normally order and rephrase it. Instead of, I want a tea, say, I'd like a tea, please. Instead of, give me orange juice, say, can I get an orange juice, please? Small change, huge difference.
Okay, speaking of practicing, everyone, we want to hear from you right now. What is your favorite drink to order at a cafe? Go to the comments section, and I want you to use our new magic phrase. Type, I would like a, and then your favorite drink, please. So for example, I would write, I would like a large cappuccino, please. Go and do it right now while the video is still playing. We read every single comment and we love seeing you practice. It honestly makes our day. Go on, we will be here.
Okay, part 2. So now you know how to place your order politely. But here is the thing. The conversation does not end there. After you order, the barista is going to ask you some questions. And these questions come very fast, sometimes in a strong accent, and if you have never heard them before, you will just stand there nodding and smiling and having absolutely no idea what they just said.
Oh, this has happened to me so many times. I just smile and nod, and then I get the completely wrong thing, and I am too embarrassed to say anything.
Exactly. So let us go through the 3 most common questions a barista will ask you, one by one. Question number 1, what size would you like? Or sometimes they will just look at you and say, size. They want to know if you want a small, medium, or large drink. And the natural way to answer is simply, a medium please or large please. You do not need a full sentence. Short and clear is completely fine.
Oh, that one I actually knew. But I did not know I could just say, medium, please, without a full sentence. I always tried to say, I would like the medium-sized one, please. And it came out very long and strange.
Short answers are totally acceptable and very natural in this context. The barista is busy. They appreciate clear and quick answers. Okay, question number 2, and this one confused me when I first heard it too. For here or to go? This is one of the most common questions in any cafe, and it simply means, are you going to sit inside and drink your coffee here, or are you taking it with you to drink somewhere else? For here means you will stay. To go means you will take it outside.
Wait, seriously? That is what to go means? I heard this so many times, and I always thought maybe they were asking me something about the price or my order. I never connected it to, do you want to sit down or leave? That is actually such a relief to know.
It trips up so many learners. And by the way, in some places, you might also hear take away, which means exactly the same thing as to go. So if a barista says take away, just answer yes or no depending on what you want. And the answer to for here or to go is simply to go, please, or for here, please. Again, short and simple.
To go, please. I can absolutely remember that.
Perfect. And question number 3, cash or card? This one is easy, but it is good to be prepared. They are simply asking how you want to pay, and you just say card please or cash please. That is the whole answer. Nothing more needed.
Okay, I feel like I have learned more in the last 5 minutes than in years of trying to order coffee in English.
Then let us put it all together. I am going to be the barista now, and Jack, you are going to be the customer. And I want you to use everything we have learned, the magic phrases, the size, the for here or to go, and the payment. Ready?
Ready. I am walking in. Here we go.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good morning. Can I get a medium cappuccino, please?
Of course, for here or to go.
To go, please.
Great. And can I get a name for the order?
It is Jack.
Perfect, Jack. That will be ready shortly. How are you paying today? Cash or card?
Card, please.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
And scene. Everyone, did you hear that? That was a completely smooth, polite, natural coffee shop conversation. Jack walked in. He used, "Can I get?" He answered every question clearly. He said please. He was warm and friendly. That barista would have been smiling the whole time.
And honestly, doing that just now, even as practice, I feel so much more confident. I know what to expect now. I know the questions that are coming. That changes everything.
That is the whole point of preparation. When you know what to expect, the fear disappears. Okay, let us do our final recap so everyone can take these phrases with them. The 2 magic phrases. Number 1, I'd like A and your order, please. Number 2, can I get A and your order, please. The 3 barista questions. Number 1, what size? Answer, small, medium, or large. Number 2, for here or to go. Answer, for here or to go. Number 3, cash or card. Answer, cash or card. That is your complete coffee shop formula. Write it down, save this video, and use it the very next time you order a drink.
And please, everyone, go and practice your order in the comments if you have not already. Seriously, type it out. It is real practice. Your English improves every single time you write or speak it, even in a comment section.
Thank you all so much for spending this time with us today. You are not just learning English. You are part of this family, and we are genuinely proud of every single step you take. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like, share it with a friend who is also learning English, and we will see you in the very next lesson. Take care of yourselves, keep practicing, and remember, every expert was once a beginner.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.